There is a question that keeps resurfacing whenever this topic comes up. Do animals engage in same-sex behavior? The short answer is yes, and not in some rare, exotic, edge case way. It happens so often that calling it unusual says more about our assumptions than about nature itself. Many people instinctively reject the idea. In their minds, biology runs on a simple children's book diagram. Male meets female. Reproduction happens. The species continues. Anything that deviates from that script gets labeled wrong, broken, or unnatural. The problem is that nature never signed a contract agreeing to follow an elementary school syllabus. When scientists began observing more carefully, setting aside their own cultural expectations, they discovered that same-sex sexual behavior appears across the animal kingdom. Not in one or two isolated species, but in birds, mammals, reptiles, and marine animals alike. The number of species documented exhibiting such behavior has surpassed 1,500 and continues to grow. More importantly, these are not random acts born out of desperation or lack of options. Many of these relationships are stable, repeated, and deeply embedded in the social structure of the species. Birds offer a striking example. In certain swan populations in the southern hemisphere, long-term male-male pairings are far from rare. Two males may bond for years, defend territory together, and build and guard nests as a team. To reproduce, they temporarily cooperate with a female. But once the eggs are laid, her role often ends. The two males incubate the eggs, raise the chicks, and aggressively protect them from threats. What caught scientists' attention was not the unconventional pairing, but the outcome. Chicks raised by these male pairs often have a higher survival rate than those raised by typical male-female pairs. From an evolutionary perspective, that is not a failure, it is a success. Among primates, things get even more revealing. Some species use sexual behavior not only for reproduction, but as a core social tool. Physical intimacy becomes a way to ease tension, repair damaged relationships, reinforce alliances, and maintain group stability. These interactions occur regardless of sex. Instead of settling disputes through violent conflict, they choose a far more effective method of social lubrication. The result is a society with fewer serious fights and stronger internal cohesion. On the African savanna, an animal famous for its height and long neck offers another surprise. Observations over many years show that the majority of recorded sexual behaviors in this species occur between males. What looks like sparring or dominance play, long necks entwining, bodies pressing together, often turns out to be part of courtship and sexual interaction. This is not a one-off curiosity, but a repeated, patterned behavior with clear social meaning. Beneath the ocean's surface, some of the most intelligent non-human animals form long-lasting same-sex alliances. Male individuals may bond closely, hunt together, defend one another, and reinforce their partnership through intimate physical contact. These alliances function as strategic units, improving survival and success in a demanding environment. Calling them just friends misses the point entirely. Faced with this volume of evidence, the idea that something has gone wrong genetically starts to look naive. Early researchers once suspected error or misobservation, but the deeper the research went, the clearer it became that the real mistake lay in how humans defined what was normal. In evolutionary terms, a trait does not need to produce offspring directly to be valuable. If it increases survival, strengthens social bonds, improves cooperation, or enhances the success of related genes, it earns its place. Same-sex behavior in animals can act as social glue, reducing conflict and increasing group stability. It can function as practice, allowing younger individuals to learn necessary behaviors before entering reproductive relationships. In other cases, it becomes an indirect reproductive strategy, stronger alliances, better access to resources, and higher success in raising the next generation.